Good morning. We have a quiet start to our day today. We're looking at some low-level clouds as we've got our sky cam pointed toward the north here this morning. And we could expect some clouds kind of hanging around again like yesterday, though I'm hopeful again that we may see some sunshine peeking through in some areas. It's going to be one of those days again where just some parts of the valley end up getting stuck under the clouds. So speaking of clouds, we've got some low-level clouds on the surface here. We're talking about some fog in Fosston at 1.25 miles visibility there. We're looking at 7 miles in Detroit Lakes, and up in Thief River Falls, 8 miles there. We're at 5 in Roseau and 4 in Baudette. So most areas there's some lowering, but it's not that bad. The one area of concern right now, at least at a reporting site showing up on the map here, is in Fosston, where we're at 1.25 miles. So checking out your temperatures, we are into the teens and 20s, colder to the east. We're at the 16-degree mark in Wadena, 17 in Bemidji, and then out to the west more into the mid-20s there. So a lot milder start to your day in places like Devils Lake and Jamestown. So our winds are out of the south or southwest, helping to usher in that warmer air for the valley. Of course, it's not going to feel warm. It's still going to be below freezing today, but warmer relative to yesterday. We're looking at some quiet conditions. Again, the low-level clouds not easily detected on the infrared channel of the satellite. And we're looking at some cloud cover, higher level clouds up toward Bismarck and Minot and Williston. And that is heading our way here for today. So quiet for the moment. And I think most of the day will be on the quiet side, but we can't rule out a couple of flurries with our next chance for more system snow, more organized snowfall coming tomorrow. So here's a look at our forecast for the noon hour. Temperatures into the mid to upper 20s, not bad. And as we head into the afternoon, we'll see a couple of places that hit that 30-degree mark in the southwest. You can see there are some pockets where we do have a little bit of clearing, but generally speaking, more on the cloudy side, especially the farther east you are today. And we'll continue that trend into tonight with temperatures that are still hanging on to the 20s into the evening hours. And here's an area of some blue showing up on the map, a few areas of it. So some light snow, I would say just some flurries likely for a lot of places as we start off our evening hours tonight. Most of us staying on the dry side, but we can't rule that out. It's again tonight and into tomorrow when we see that next system, the cold front approach, bringing us that chance for some snow tomorrow. So this is 5 a.m. to start off the day. We'll be into the teens, and you can see some scattered areas of snow up to the northwest of us. Those will be dropping in through the morning hours tomorrow. So the morning drive in the northern valley may end up not being the greatest. We're looking at some lower visibility, though the wind shouldn't be as strong as we've seen many times with snowfall moving through. And we'll likely have some slick spots where it starts to accumulate a little bit. So this is 9 a.m. and the snow showers will continue dropping to the southeast. Our forecast model here indicating that we've got that snow moving in northern valley and over to the east. The best bet for accumulating snow, though there could be some scattered snow showers in our eastern part of North Dakota too, and southeastern parts of the state into the afternoon. This is the 3 o'clock hour. You can see some scattered areas of light snow rolling through at that point in time. And then gradually that moves on. We quiet things down as far as precip is concerned, but that wind's going to increase. We're looking at some gusts into the 20s and out of the north, and that's going to drive in some pretty cold air coming up for the second half of the week. Here's a look at our snowfall potential in this brighter area of blue. That's the 1 to 2 inch range. Anywhere else we're looking at mainly just a dusting. So this again, not a big snowfall event, just enough to be a nuisance on the roads. With a high of 25 degrees today, a few flurries, that chance for snow Wednesday. It's kind of our one chance for snow here this week. We cool things down quite a bit on Thursday. Some sub-zero lows to start off the morning, but just as quickly as we cool down, we warm things right back up. And by the time we hit Saturday afternoon, we're looking at temperatures approaching 30 degrees. So we're taking a dip, but it's not going to last long. So just keep that in mind on Thursday morning when you're freezing.
And cursing
Mother
Nature's name.
There we go. I like that.
Thank you, Lisa. Coming up here on the Valley today, Abby Furchner will be joining us with how to get your house ready for the holidays.